Hello friends, welcome back to Cool IT Help. In this tutorial session, we will see how to fix a very common error. www.youtube.com refused to connect when we are trying to embed a video in blogs or any HTML page. If you guys facing this problem, you are on the right place and we will fix this issue together. Let's begin. First, I will show you the situation. So I have replicated with the help of one HTML page. I have embedded one video here and let me run this into the browser. So this we will see. So this is the replication of the issue. So you will be getting the same error www.youtube.com refused to connect. If you are getting this thing, let's fix this. So what is happening? I will show you. So focus on the part where we have done the embedding of the video. So go to the src attribute and look what is the string. So this time you have mentioned something youtube.com/watch or something else. So guys, this will not work. This will throw you direct and this will open your video into the new browser. This will not embed. You cannot run that embedded video on your blog. So you have to change it. What you need to place, and the right thing is we need to use the embed. So this is the right URL and you have to use this URL which is at line number 18. So whatever you are using previously, that was wrong and we need to correct it. So we will use embed, then the video key. So the same video key will be used, but we need to place embed. Only then we will have that embedding in our blogs. So this will be the right URL for our video. So I have just copied this URL, going back to my HTML page and updating this src attribute. Now see this is embed. Now the URL is correct. Okay guys, if you are not using the right div and iframe setup, so for your help I have given this piece of code on my blog page, so you can copy this div section from that place, link given in the description box. Now I'm going to update this page and we will see the magic. See this, the embedded video is appeared here and you can see all the controls are available. You can play this in the embedded format as well. All controls are available, all controls are working. Also you can expand the video full screen. So guys, this is the solution of the problem that we were facing. So we have seen the fix of the YouTube refused to connect error while embedding the video. So guys, please hit the like button and subscribe to support us. Thanks for watching.